Have you ever eaten a slice of pizza and wondered, how long until this turns into the energy I'm using to scroll on my phone? It's kind of wild to think that every bite we take sets off this microscopic adventure inside our bodies, a high-stakes relay race that transforms cheeseburgers, apples, or whatever snack you just had into the fuel that powers everything you do from blinking your eyes to running up the stairs. But here's the real question. How long does that actually take? Let's rewind to that bite of pizza. The moment it enters your mouth, your body jumps into action. Your teeth break it down, your saliva starts to chemically dissolve it, and before you've even swallowed, the process of energy extraction has already begun. That's right, digestion doesn't start in your stomach, it starts in your mouth. The enzymes in your saliva are like the pit crew at the start of a race. Quick, efficient, and essential to what comes next. Once the food slides down your esophagus and reaches your stomach, things get intense. Your stomach churns and mixes everything with acids and enzymes, turning it into this thick, soupy stuff called chyme. It doesn't sound pretty, but chyme is basically your food in transition. No longer pizza, not yet energy. From here, it moves into the small intestine, which is where the real magic happens. Inside your small intestine, this winding, 20-foot-long tunnel that you carry around every day, nutrients get pulled out and sent into your bloodstream. Carbs break down into glucose. Proteins get turned into amino acids. Fats become fatty acids and glycerol. It's like sorting recyclable materials at a super-efficient factory. Each part goes to where it's needed most. And glucose. That's the MVP when it comes to quick energy. It's absorbed almost immediately and sent out to your body's cells, where it enters the mitochondria, those tiny power plants inside each cell. Here's where science gets cool. In the mitochondria, glucose undergoes a process called cellular respiration, combining with oxygen to release ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is basically the currency your body uses to spend energy. Need to lift your arm? ATP. Need to think? ATP. Need to stand up after binge watching for 3 hours straight? You guessed it. ATP. This whole process can happen pretty fast. Simple sugars, like those in fruit or candy, can start turning into usable energy in as little as 15 to 30 minutes after eating. But not all foods work that quickly. Complex carbs, like brown rice or whole grain bread, take longer to digest. They need to be broken down more slowly so the energy release is more gradual. This is why a bowl of oatmeal keeps you full longer than a cookie. Proteins and fats? They're the slowest of all. Fats, in particular, can take up to 6 hours or more to fully break down and be absorbed. That's why you feel full for a while after a rich meal. They're energy-packed but slow-burning. So, if you're asking, how long does it take for food to become energy? The answer depends on the food. Fast-burning sugars? About 15 to 30 minutes. Complex carbs? Give it an hour or two. Fats and proteins? Could be 3 to 6 hours, sometimes more. But the coolest part, your body is always working. Even while you're sleeping, your cells are turning yesterday's meals into the energy your heart needs to beat. Your lungs need to breathe, and your brain needs to dream. There's also something kind of brilliant happening with leftovers. No, not the ones in your fridge. We're talking about the energy your body stores for later. If you eat more energy than your body needs right away, it doesn't go to waste. Your body stores it as glycogen in your liver and muscles, or, if there's a lot extra, as fat. That's your long-term energy stash, ready to be used during your next workout, all-nighter, or stressful exam. Now, you might be thinking, doesn't all this take too long? What if I need energy now? That's where your body gets strategic. It keeps a small supply of glucose in your blood and glycogen in your muscles for quick access, kind of like having snacks in your backpack. This way, even if it takes time for your lunch to fully digest, your body already has a plan B for immediate energy. And here's a fun twist, your brain is a serious energy hog. Even though it only makes up about 2% of your body weight, it uses up around 20% of your daily energy. So, the next time you're deep in thought or taking a test, remember, Your brain is burning through the fuel you ate hours ago, and it's doing it at high speed. Understanding this process is more than just cool science trivia. It's a reminder of how connected everything is, from your diet to your energy levels to your overall mood and focus. Eating a balanced meal isn't just about feeling full. It's about giving your body the right tools at the right time. Sugar might give you a quick boost, but it's the complex carbs, lean proteins, and healthy fats that keep your energy steady all day long. So the next time you bite into your lunch, think of it like launching a mini energy mission. From your plate to your cells, there's a whole world of biology making sure you have the power to live, move, think, and thrive. And now you know, it's not instant, but it's pretty fast, kind of amazing, and always working in the background. Energy isn't just something you feel, it's something your body is constantly creating, one bite at a time.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.